We're downsizing from our 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house into a trailer, and here's why. First and foremost, this is what we've always wanted. When I quit my 9-to-5 in 2018 to start my online business, the intention was so that I wouldn't be tied down to one location and I could travel. My business became profitable by 2019, and so I began to travel full time. We actually lived in a trailer before. After an amazing year, COVID happened. With so much uncertainty, we decided that it would be best if we came back to my hometown and stayed here until things blew over. During that time, we decided to buy a house. My online business was still thriving, so I decided to buy a lot of real estate and investments instead of spending the money on travel like I had intended to. I did this throughout 2020 and 2021. And as we know now, the real estate market and stocks kind of blew up during that time. And I was in the right place at the right time. Which means that outside of our jobs, I have about $5,500 that comes to me every single month totally passively. Which doesn't cover all of our bills to live in this house, but it will cover all of our bills to live in a trailer. I'm grateful that all of my online businesses are still thriving, but during COVID, we also had a baby. And to be honest, I don't want to have to work so hard. Living in a trailer is going to mean I have to clean and work less. I'm not going to have to mow a lawn, weed my garden, shovel snow, and work only when I want to. So why not go to Europe or something? Well, before I ever even started my online business, I made a commitment, and that commitment was to 2 huskies. I love our dogs, but they're not really easy to travel with. They're not easy to anything with, but going on a road style trip with our dogs is accessible to us currently. And when they die, I will be on a plane the next day. But for now, this makes sense. I'm running out of time, but there's a million more reasons, so come back for part 2.